Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Peter Sage. It is my pleasure to welcome you to this page where we are going to be discussing the awesome power of attending the Millionaire Business School Congress in Cyprus this November. And oh my goodness, have I got something special for you. Now, if you're not familiar with the Millionaire Business School, this was an event that was rated the highest of its kind for several years. And not only has it won awards, not only has it created many different millionaires, not only has it reinvented businesses, allowed entrepreneurs to scale their business, to bust through blocks, but we do some very important inner work on the first day that really takes you as a person, as a business owner, to levels that you've probably never been before. Why do I do that? Because business is an expression of the business owner. Why do businesses go out of business? One reason, they're mismanaged, period. It's not the economy. You'll see people that are flying in a down economy. You'll see people that are struggling in an up economy. No, what makes the difference is the person inside. You know, you've heard the old saying, it's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. But there's ways to be able to do it that are struggle and effort, and there's ways to be able to do it that are exceptionally smart, cutting edge, modern, and allow you to leapfrog other businesses, outmarket your competition before they know what's hit them without even spending money. Yes, that's what I teach. So whether you're a entrepreneur looking to step into the uncertainties of business, we will give you everything you need to know to confidently walk forward knowing you're going to be successful. If you are already in business and you're in that kind of crazy phase where you're spinning too many plates, we'll teach you the 10 master skills that all successful entrepreneurs master in order to take their business to the next level while designing them out of the equation so you can have a life. I've worked with so many business owners that struggle to get to the top of Success Mountain, and when they finally get there, they want to jump off because they don't like the view. And that's not going to happen to people that come to this event. Now, you may want to book quickly because at the time of recording this, the silver tickets have already sold out. We also have an optional extra for those of you that really want to get to know me and come have some fun after the event, where we're going to go do some really cool things as a small VIP group. So check out that option as well. This is going to be the event of the year, and I will give you a promise. You will be leaving this event with a step-by-step plan that will generate a minimum of $1 million for your business. I don't care if you're a startup, I don't care if you're seasoned, I don't care if you're in that crazy, as I said, washing machine aspect to where everything's going on at once, you don't know what to do next, but you're gonna get an incredible amount of benefit out of this with a plan that'll generate $1 million extra of revenue this year without you having to spend a penny to get it. And I can say that confidently because I've done this for thousands of business owners over the last 10 years. So, I'm happy to put my reputation on the line for that. You've got nothing to lose apart from having an incredible experience that will give you the tools to build any business in any economy, no matter what, and do it in a room full of thriving, buzzing, high-level entrepreneurs, people that really want to help each other and become midwives to each other's dreams at a level of consciousness that transcends your typical competition-based, it's all in it for me mentality. In fact, on the first day, we're going to go deep into reinventing who you are as your identity of an entrepreneur. That alone allows you to walk into any business scenario, whether it's deals falling down, whether it's things not going your way, which is standard in business, and it'll allow you to walk into those situations wearing a cape. People will look at you, your staff will look at you, your suppliers will work with you. Think, wow, what is it about you? There's an energy, a spark that just separates you from the crowd. That's what this event has done for thousands of people, and I want it to do it for you. So please have a look at the videos on this page, have a look at the information, tune in, find out which is the best option for you, and I can't wait to see you and help you reinvent your business and create the life that you deserve in November in Cyprus. I'll see you there.